Okay, as you can hear, this is my shop air conditioner, and on helpful hint number 6, I'm going to show you how I make my window air conditioners last a lot longer. It's a little trick I learned back in the old salt mine days when I was hoist engineer, and we went through an air conditioner summer in the hoist house, and I learned this little trick and made that air conditioner survive about 4 summers. It's a trick I try to teach other people, and we'll examine that here in just a moment when we go outside. Alright, so here's the outside of the air conditioner, and it's not really a very big one. I've had it for about 3 years now, maybe 4. And what I'm doing to extend the life of this air conditioner is these screens. Now you can see the dirt on this screen. I have the screens on the intake side and across the top, as well as on this side. That's where the air is taken in. Now, why do I do this? Well, I learned a long time ago that this coil, being outside and taking outside air in through these vents, causes this lint to build up on the inside of the coil. Now, it's very difficult to get that lint off the inside. Yes, you can spray water and wash it off. Spray it right through the coils. Wash it off that way, and that'll work pretty good, but you won't get 100% of it. This gets 100% of the lint. So now what I've done is I've taken these magnets, and these bar magnets come off of refrigerator doors. And I'm sure you can go to a used refrigerator sales place, and they may let you cut these off of the old doors, and you can pull these bars out, and they work great for holding the screen on. I'm going to take them off, and I'm going to clean these screens. And when you see me next, I'll be cleaning the screen, and then we'll replace them. So I like to place the screens with the dirt side down so I can wash them off from the back. Now what most of that is cotton from the cottonwood. We have a lot of cottonwood trees in Kansas, and it collects on everything. Now I don't have to do this with my central heating and air. I could, but it's really not necessary because I can get to the inside of that and wash it out easily. So here I'm going to turn the hose on, and we're going to wash them. Maybe. There we go. And they're clean. Here we go. And there we go. Clean. Ready to go for another month or two. The air conditioner is blowing air, cooling off its coils like it should. Hope you enjoyed this helpful hint number 6. Please like, subscribe, comment,